An unattended candle was pointed out as the cause of fire in Sitio Lapok, Lower Kalili, C. Padilla Street, Barangay Dulo, Fatima at around 2 a.m. this Friday, February 4, 2022. This was confirmed by fire investigator FO3 Emerson Arceo, and according to him, this started at the house of a certain Joshua Gonzaga.
During sa follow-up investigation na mo, ma'am, found out na mo, atong origin sa sunog is wala sa kurente. So, pinaka-logical nga kuhan na to is basin to yun nga tungod na biyaan nga kuhan, biyaan nga kabila kay kunding sa mga silingan po is wala na kanang hotaw na sa way kurente, rapot namin sa kurente. So yung gamit rin sa dila.
At least 27 households were razed by the fire, affecting 44 families or 260 individuals. Damages were estimated to be around 350,000 pesos. The flames spread immediately because the houses in the area were made of light materials. Due to the narrow roads, firefighters had a difficult time penetrating the area. In fact, a radio station's wall had to be destroyed just to allow their hose to pass through. According to April, one of the affected residents, her sibling woke her up at around 3 a.m. because of the commotion, and she was shocked to see the huge flames nearby. She was only able to bring with her a few documents and her nephews, and they immediately fled the scene.
Doon na kay siya niya, kami ato kay natugmi. Dara na kwarto, natugmi niya. Siya to ang nakamata kay nagsyagit naman namong silingan niya. Kuan ba, nagdinasok na. Ya, doon na jud kayang kayo. Pag mata na mo, wala na, ditso na mignaog. Kay, kanang rato lagi niya. Kanang mabalakasad ka ba na mama ni mong pagumangkon niya. Aw mama, ang gidara niya kay kada laging mga papilis. Wala dyan may nakahuna nagsanina, kuwag sanina, kuwag laing mga botang. Marag yun, ditso na migawas tanan.
𝐿𝐴𝐻 Icaña, another fire victim, hopes that they can be given any form of assistance by the city government. According to the Department of Social Welfare and Services, the affected families will receive 10,000 to 20,000 pesos in financial assistance as well as food packs for the next 3 days.
Amo ang mga quick response nga relief na mga gihatag karon is ang kani ilang food nga good for 3 days, breakfast, lunch, ug dinner. As of now, ni-coordinate ni QRT sa quick response team kay si nasunugan is evacuate nato dito sa eskwelahan para sa ilahang shelter.
This has been Sheriza Uy from MyTV Cebu.